Hey everyone, my name is Sahil Malhotra, Principal Attorney at Drishi Law. Today, we're going to talk about the types of trademark application filing bases available so you can be better informed about your brand protection strategy. The filing process for a trademark application can be daunting, but it's actually pretty simple if you just start with an understanding of your filing basis. It gives clarity on what you can expect during your brand protection strategy. It gives clarity on what you can expect during your road to registration. You will always be asked during a trademark application process is regarding its filing basis. The USPTO has four types of filing bases. 1A, use in commerce. This filing basis usually requires proof that you're currently using your applied for mark in commerce for the goods and services that you're applying. In commerce means different things for different goods and services, and it can be as simple as providing a copy of a receipt or a live website where the mark is being used in connection with the goods and or services applied. 1B, intent to use. This filing basis requires proof that you have a bona fide intention to use your mark in commerce in connection with your goods and services in the near future. This filing basis usually requires further extensions and filing requirements that have additional fees attached to it. The USPTO will require proof of actual use of the mark in commerce. For example, a brewery that could be launching a new product in 6 months could apply for a trademark for the name and or logo for the new product under a 1B filing basis. As long as the application is correctly filed, the applicant has the option to provide proof of actual use in multiple ways. You can provide that proof before the application is approved for publication within the 6 months of a notice of allowance issue date. An examining attorney allowing the mark for registration will issue a notice of allowance, but it does not mean the mark is registered. The applicant will have to file a statement of use providing evidence of actual use within a granted extension period after the notice of allowance issue is stayed, or within a granted extension period after the notice of allowance issue is stayed. The USPTO allows you to have 5 6-month extensions to your original notice of allowance deadline with the appropriate filing fees, of course. The third type of filing basis is a 44E foreign registration base. This filing basis requires you currently own a foreign registration of the same mark or the same goods and or services. This usually requires a copy of your foreign registration. The foreign registration must be enforceable at the time the USPTO issues a registration under this filing basis. Your mark's country of origin, the country where the applicant is domiciled, incorporated, or organized, must be a member of a convention or a part of a treaty relating to the trademarks to which the U.S. extends reciprocal rights to. An English translation of the foreign registration, if not in English. A complete list of goods and or services that does not exceed the scope of the foreign registration. And a signed declaration that the applicant has a bona fide intention to use the mark in commerce and had a bona fide intention to use the mark in commerce as of the application filing date. The last type of filing basis is a 44D foreign application basis, also known as a foreign priority. This filing basis is useful to applicants who own an earlier filed foreign application that was filed within 6 months of your USPTO application. This is called a foreign priority basis and is a great strategy for foreign applicants as you're requesting a priority filing date for your US application that will be the same date as that of your foreign application. You can avoid errors that can lead to future fees or worse, an abandonment of a faulty application by hiring a trademark attorney who understands the application process. If you need assistance in your trademark application journey, please feel free to click on the booking link provided below or call my office. As always, this is Sahil Malhotra. Thank you for watching.